Today, we're gonna talk about my luxury dream bags. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for joining me. If it's your first time, please do consider subscribing down below by hitting the big red button. I would greatly appreciate it. And as you can see from the title of today's video, I'm going to be talking about my ultimate luxury dream bags. Now, this is a tag video and I was tagged by lovely Antonette here on YouTube. Her YouTube channel name is always Antonette. I will leave a link to her channel in the description box down below. But if you're watching this, Antonette, I'm so sorry I'm so late in doing this tag. I'm running super behind in all of my tags. So thank you for your patience. And I'm really excited because this is like the beginning of 2021 and it just kind of blends in really well. We're starting new year, we're really optimistic. And it's just the perfect time, I feel like, to talk about your dream and like kind of like your plans and what you want to do for the rest of the year. So here I am with my 5 ultimate dream luxury handbags. And yeah, without further ado, let's jump right into talking about the very first handbag. Now, starting with the very first dream bag of mine, and I'm gonna leave some pictures up on the screen so you guys can know what I'm referring to. But basically, my very first ultimate dream bag is the Chanel Classic Flap. That's right. I think this bag is so popular and it's pretty much in everyone's wish list and it's everyone's dream bag. And that is because it's just really amazing. It's super classy and it's timeless. So yes, it's no surprise that it's also my ultimate dream bag. And as far as the size is concerned, I think I'm gonna go with either small or medium. I don't know the exact size I want right now because it really depends on kind of, you know, what other bags I have in my collection when I'm ready to buy that bag, or kind of what phase of my life I'm in during that time. So I don't know, but I do know that I want it in the black color and the lambskin and gold hardware. That's right. I know that lambskin is going to be a little hard to maintain, but I think it's just super classy. I think it just gives really nice, classy look to the bag, and I just really love it. So definitely lambskin, and hopefully I cross this bag off my list very, very soon. Now, moving on to the second handbag, and this one is also from Chanel, and I don't know if you guys can guess it, but this one is Chanel Coco handle. Yes, that's right. I love this bag. Every time I look at it, it gives me that tingle feeling inside. I just really love the look of it. I just love that top handle and just kind of ladylike look to it. So I'm really fond of this bag and it's definitely one of my ultimate luxury dream bags. And this one, I do know that I want to go with the size small. And once again, it's going to be in the black color because I think black with Chanel just kind of looks classic and looks really nice. It's a timeless piece. So anyways, this one is going to be in the black color. But I think with this particular bag, I want to go with silver hardware if I can find one. And yeah, I don't really have any other bags with silver hardware, so this is definitely going to be my very first one if I end up ever getting it, which I really hope I do. But yeah, this is my second ultimate dream luxury handbags. I don't know if any one of you own this bag, but if you do, let me know in the comment box down below. How is it holding up for you and how are you guys liking it? Because I personally really like this bag, and like I said, every time I see it, there's just something inside of me telling me that I really need to get it as soon as I can. Okay, it's time now to move away from the Chanel zone and we're gonna go with other fashion houses. So my third luxury dream handbag is from Dior and it's none other than Lady Dior bag. Yes, I know that this bag is also a lot of people's luxury dream bags, and that's because once again, it's very classic, very timeless. It's, you know, Princess Diana used to wear it and it's got really nice history to it. And once again, it's very ladylike, very classy. I just really love it. As far as the color is concerned, I think I really like their blush pink color as well as the red and the gray color. and I really like their gray tones in their bags. I think it's just really gorgeous. It's not completely dull gray, it's a really nice vibrant gray, so I'm very, very, very fond of that. Who knows, when I'm ready to buy this bag, there's going to be more colors out there, but for now, if I look into the future, these are the colors that I really like when it comes to this bag. And for this one, I think I'm gonna go with either small or the medium. And I'm sorry guys, I don't have like specific size to tell you guys, and that is because, like I said, when I'm buying a bag, I really have to like think about what other bags I have in my collection and kind of what zone I am, or what period, or like what kind of time I am in my life, and kind of, you know, my day-to-day style and all that stuff. So it really depends, but I do know that ultimately I do want to have this bag in my collection. So there it is, there's my third bag, and now let's move on to number 4. Now my fourth handbag is something that I don't hear a lot of people talk about, and I'm very surprised because it's such a good bag, and I'm talking about none other than a Prada Double Bag. Now this is one of the bags that I have considered from time to time, and I've actually gone into the boutique, tried it on, and I almost bought it. And I think, I don't know why I didn't buy it, because I constantly think about it. I constantly look for it on Fashion File. I'm constantly on Prada's website just trying to buy it. But anyways, I really love this bag, and I know that one day I am going to have it in my collection. And this one, I know that I'm going to go with the medium size, and I want black color with red interior. And you guys might be thinking, oh my gosh, all the bags she wants are like black, because I mentioned that Chanel I want black as well, and this one I want black as well. But once again, it really depends. When I'm ready to buy the bag, I really have to see and look back into my collection. If I have a lot of the colors, then I probably would not buy the same color again, if that kind of makes sense. But anyways, I really love this bag, and I kind of say I love this bag about everything, but that's really true because I'm a handbag lover and I pretty much love all the bags. But this bag, I'm just surprised to see like not a lot of people talk about it. And yeah, it's my ultimate dream bag. And like I said, that eventually one day I'm going to have it in my collection for sure. Now, last but not the least, we have made it all the way till the end, where I'm going to talk about my 5th luxury handbag. And if you're still with me, please give this video a big, big thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. Plus, YouTube likes it too. So anyways, my 5th ultimate luxury dream bag is, drumroll please, it's the Hermes. Guess. Super easy to guess, but it's going to be either Birkin or Kelly. So I want either Birkin 25 or Kelly 25 or 28. Now it's a broad range for sure. I'm not being very specific, and I don't intend to, because like I said, we change all the time, or kind of our thoughts process changes all the time, our needs change all the time, our lives change all the time. So, and for this particular one, like I know that I'm not going to be ready to buy Hermes for a really, really long time. It's very expensive, and it's a big investment, even bigger than Chanel. And I already think that Chanel is a big, big investment. So when I'm ready to buy my Hermes, I'll probably like get into that deeper thought and see which one I really want. But I really like Birkin or Kelly, and it's super hard to choose one. I'll probably end up with both of them. Who knows? Hopefully the day will come when I'll have both of these bags in my collection. But for now, just know that I want to have Birkin as well as Kelly, particularly 25 in Birkin, and when it comes to Kelly, either 25 or 28. So yeah, that really does it for today's video. I hope you guys made it till the end. That makes me super duper happy. And one other thing that makes me happy is if you guys would consider subscribing to my channel, staying connected with me. And speaking of that, do add me or do follow me on Instagram as well. It just makes me so happy to connect with all of you. And yeah, that really does it for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you have any particular luxury or like ultimate dream luxury handbags, then let me know in the comment box down below. So yeah, that does it for today's video. I always say that, but that does it for today's video. And yes, I think that finally does it for today's video. Take care. Bye.